Hello, welcome to KDCI. Let's talk about why property management is essential. Property management is vital for both residential and commercial real estate ownership. Despite this, not everyone fully comprehends its importance. In this video, we'll discuss the advantages of property management and how to create an efficient system tailored to your requirements. Now, why is it important to have property management? Property management will let you oversee all the aspects of your property, opening it to a lot of benefits and opportunities for improvement. Here are the reasons why managing your property effectively is necessary. First, it maximizes profit potentials. A property manager can help set rent rates, collect rent, and manage expenses to ensure that they are at market value. They can also keep track of expenses, set a budget, and control operational costs to maximize profits. Second, it maintains the property in its best condition. A property manager maintains the property's condition by performing necessary maintenance activities, ensuring prompt repairs if necessary, and preventing major property-related issues. An effective property management system aims to maintain the value of the property. Third, it allows hands-on tenant management. Property managers can handle tenant-related tasks efficiently, such as finding and screening potential tenants and managing complaints, maintenance requests, and lease renewals, allowing property owners to save time. Fourth, it ensures legal compliance. Property managers have expertise in the legal aspects of property ownership and management. This ensures that the property complies with applicable laws and regulations. This also helps reduce the risk of legal issues and possible legal fees for property owners. Fifth, it provides peace of mind. Having a property management team provides peace of mind for property owners, ensuring that their investment is in good hands and alleviating the stress associated with property management. Fifth, it handles emergencies promptly. A property manager takes care of emergencies, reducing stress for out-of-town owners. Sixth, it improves marketing and advertising results. Property managers can effectively market your property, attract more tenants, reduce vacancy rates, and use digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Seventh, it keeps up with industry trends. Property managers keep up with real estate trends and best practices, leading to more streamlined operations and increased profits. It also allows for staying ahead of the competition. Eighth, it handles and resolves legal disputes. Property managers can handle legal disputes between tenants, landlords, or contractors, negotiating settlements, or representing the property owner in court if necessary. Ninth, it provides accurate financial reporting. Property managers provide financial reports to give you a clear overview of your property's performance and profitability. Their expertise ensures transparency and accountability, allowing you to make informed decisions based on income, expenses, and profit margins. So, who is responsible for property management? Property owners may hire a property manager or management company for day-to-day operations. This includes finding tenants, rent collection, maintenance requests, tenant complaints, and compliance with laws. Financial management, reporting, and budgeting are also handled by the manager. Hiring a management company can be beneficial for owners who lack time or expertise. Do you want to learn more about property management services? KDCI offers years of excellent and reliable property management services to some of the biggest property owners and real estate investors in Australia and the USA to help ensure their properties maximize profit potentials by keeping them in their best conditions. Go to kdci.co to learn more.